Hi everyone, welcome today on Saturday. Yes, December the 19th. Yes, 2020, the 19th. We have only here one regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. Let me focus this. Yes, medium Sudoku, but on the previous page there's also a quintuplet. I stopped solving this because it takes me too long to solve this, more than an hour to solve, so I only place a link, a PDF link for the quintuplet lovers. You can download the PDF link, but I will only do the medium Sudoku. I think there are also in the newspaper extra Sudokus in additional. I have not seen that yet, but probably there are extra Sudokus. But this one, regular Sudoku, the only one, will be a number 2036. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Plus 2 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. Plus 5 is equal to 26. 26 printed digits. So this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in the additional, so this will be a 2 stars. Yes. 8, 10, 14, 17, 20, 26. Yes, correct. 26 printed digits. A 2-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is 2. We see here 2 in the we see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Then let me see. How about in this column, one of the missing number, we have 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes, because the 7 is in this big square, so the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. One of the missing number in this column is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box, so the 4 could be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column. The 8 and the 5 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yeah. Alright. And now, Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for a 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit and number 1. Alright. Then alright. So in this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here an 8, no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of these two boxes in the middle row. We have an 8 over there in that row. So in this row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. 8, 8, alright. 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be there. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 8 in this last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. Then 3, 9, 2. All right. 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those two boxes. We have a 2 here. So one box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 9 and a 3. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. 1, 5, 6. Alright. 6 and 4. 2 numbers left in the first column. Those 2 numbers are the 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then 3, 3, 5, 4. Yes. We have a 4 in the third column, a 4 in the first column. So in the column between, the second column, the column between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 in this row. 9 in no. We already have a 9 here. 2 numbers left. 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 5. 3, 5, and the 1 are missing in this big square. 3, 5, and 1. We see here 5. We see here 3 in one of those two boxes. So here cannot be 5 or 3. The 5 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. 5 and the 3. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. So one number left in this big square for the number 1. One number left in this row for the number 3. One number left in this row below for the number 5. One number left in the second column for the number 6. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Let me mark those numbers. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 6. Then how about those 2 numbers in this column for the number 6 and 5? We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. The other pair in this big square should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Yeah. How about this? All right. 6. Yes, 2 missing numbers here. One of them should be a 6. We need a 6 in this row. We have a 1, 9, and 6. 1, 9, and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. So the 1 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for a 6 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are missing. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 1 and the 4. Here also a 4. I need a no. We have a 4 there. Oh, all right. So these 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new movies to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later. Bye bye for now, and have a great day on the Saturday. Bye bye.